welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. My channel is about DIY, natural hair, and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. To all of our new subscribers, thank you so much for joining our family. I see the channel is growing and I just want to welcome you. Feel at home. If you have any problems or any concern with your hair, do not hesitate to leave a comment down in the comment section and I will try my best to reply to you. I normally make time during my day to sit down and reply to every comment, so leave your concern down in the comment section. So it's time for me to get rid of this color because I got threatened this morning that I was going to being taken out and shake my head for all of this color to go away, because what I and the kids was playing on the bed this morning along with my husband, and everywhere I lay my head there were a bunch of these flaky stuff from the color. That's one of the bad thing about it. It leaves a lot of flakes behind. I always need to come out and put my hair in this sponge just so I don't have stuff all over my bathroom floor or all in my house. But apart from that, I have fun with it. I enjoy it. We went to a Universal Studio and it was awesome.
I consider you all my friends. Until we meet again. Let's roll.
Until we meet again. Every good thing has to come to an end, so I'm about to wash it out. Now this is why I don't like washing goals, because the detangling process, it takes me a long time to detangle my hair, because I love to make sure that I'm doing it in the right way, that I'm not causing any breakage. It's already tangled up a lot, so you have to really take your time, patience. Make sure when you are doing this you don't have anything else on your schedule, so you don't have to be rushing and you would just break your hair off. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to take my hair from this big ball of tangles to bring it back to itself. Got my good old Tresemme conditioner here. I'm going to be using this to help me with slip. And then I got my aloe vera juice and my caffeine and secrets growth oil in here. So I'm going to be using these three ingredients for me to detangle my hair and for my fingers. Going to spray some aloe vera juice on it just for me to loosen the tangles, and then I am going to part it into 4 sections so that I can work in sections. just pat my hair in 4 sections so that it can be easy for me to work on each sections. I'm now going to split this section in smaller sections. This is what causes a lot of breakage on type 4 here. If you don't take your time to detangle it, because our hair tangle up a lot, and you need to have the patience to be able to detangle your hair. Wow. This. Okay. See? Section is completely detangled. I found my nails. Oh no. Don't you play with my hair nails. I always love to use some kind of liquid first just to break the tangles down, to break the gel down, to make your hair a bit soft and manageable. And then I'll go in with my conditioner to give me extra slip. Once I do that, as you can see, it's easy for me to just run my fingers through my tangles without having any breakage. One thing about step 4 here, it's very difficult for us to retain length if you are not taking your time to detangle your hair. Our hair is always growing, it's just retaining length is the problem. And one of the big issues is we detangling our hair the right way because of our curls pattern. Now that this section is easy, I'm now going in with my oil. And this oil also help with extra sleep. And I'm just going to massage that into this full section. Now my hair feels extremely soft. Extremely soft. Yep. Okay, so I'm just going to twist this section up and move to the next section. While doing that, I'm just going to play some music because my kids are inside playing and they are shouting and making loud noise. They are kids, they have to have a life, so that's why most of the time I'm doing voiceover. So I'm just going to play some music for you guys and you can watch and see how I'm detangling my hair. And I hope you also get to learn something from it.
I have confession with better solution. So pay attention, cause I don't want confusion. See, they guess you a friend. Oh na 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 na. You know be our fault. Oh na 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 na. If you don't get money, oh na 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 na. Wahala dey to rob. You they guess you a friend. Oh na 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 na. You know be our fault. Oh na 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 na. If you don't get money, oh na 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 na. Wahala dey to rob. Don't put the blame on me, better give unto the economy. Then give the blame to me, better send unto the economy. If I lie, no be my fault, better give unto the economy. If I still no be my fault, better give unto the economy. Diamond no be my fault, better give unto the economy. Yahoo no be my fault, better send unto the economy. From Ghana to Niger, Togo to Benin, Lala to America, even go to China. Man they suffer, girls they suffer, even picking suffer. Everybody they holla, wahala they to rob de oh, mama. Wahala they to rob de oh. I dey see, they guess you a friend. Oh na 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 na, it no be our fault. Oh na 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 na, if you no get money, oh na 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 na, wahala dey to rob de oh. This economy very fun. Money talk, oh, nobody go talk, oh, yeah, for intention. Where they do guy, that's the reason why we they tell them say. See, did they guess you a friend? Oh na 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 na, you know be our fault. Oh na 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 na, if you no get money, oh na 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 na, wahala dey to rob oh, oh na 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 na.
Ya, banga ya party, bugu ya party, banga ya party, kesa kulumu ki party, banga ya party, bugu ya party, banga ya party, kesa kulumu ki party. All eyes on me, go ada go awe sheni, go meza yi shedeni, inza chiza sha shedeni, inza yi wasa shedeni, the susan don na ikudi, go kowa da kowa kira yake shika ji yayi mana bosu bosu yayi mana bosu yayi mana bosu kowa da kowa kira yake shika ji yayi mana bosu oh gamuna mun tako gamuna mun dano gamuna mun zo mun kamu ku sabo waka ku yi rawa yayi mana bosu bosu yayi mana bosu kowa da kowa kira yake shika ji yayi mana bosu with better solution. So pay attention, cause I don't want confusion. See, they guess you a fan. Oh na 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 na. You know be our fault. Oh na 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 na. If you don't get money. Oh na 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 na. Wahala day to rob.
Okay, so I am done detangling my full hair. I need to immediately go and jump in the shower because I got this thing all over me. I'm going in with my aloe vera shampoo. I have little left, so I hope it is able to cover my entire hair. And then when I'm done rinsing this off and shampooing it, I will come and show you guys how my hair is looking. Shampoo and rinsing out my treatment from my hair, and this is how my hair is looking. It rinses out pretty easily, so that's good. I'm now just gonna go in with my deep condition treatment. You guys have seen me apply deep condition so many times, so I'm just going to skip that. And then when I'm done applying my deep condition treatment, I'll just comment in the video there. Yes, I'm back to my black hair color. Okay, family, so I'm done applying my deep condition to my hair. I plan on sleeping with this deep condition, and this is my aloe vera deep condition. I will leave it down in the description box for you, and then tomorrow I will rinse it out and just moisturize my hair and put my hair in braids or twists. If you love to see how I moisturize my hair after my wash day, I will also leave that video down in the description box for you to check it out. I'm so happy to have my hair back moisturized, and I had very little shedding because the way in which I detangle my hair and I use my fingers, I don't shed a lot of hair. That helped me to retain a lot of length on my hair. So I hope you try to use my method of detangling. If it also works for you, that would be really great. So if you love this video, do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.